Hello everyone. Today this topic name is singular and plural nouns. Cat,
One cat.
cats,
Two cats.
dog,
One dog.
dogs,
Many dogs.
book,
One book.
books,
Lots of books.
car,
One car.
cars,
Many cars.
apple,
One apple.
apples,
Some apples.
chair,
One chair.
chairs,
Many chairs.
toy,
One toy.
toys,
Many toys.
tree,
One tree.
trees,
Many trees.
ball,
One ball.
balls,
Many balls.
flower,
One flower.
flowers,
Many flowers.
child,
One child.
children,
Two children.
man,
One man.
men,
Two men.
woman,
One woman.
woman,
Two women.
mouse,
One mouse.
mice,
Many mice.
goose,
One goose.
geese,
Many geese.
tooth,
One tooth.
teeth,
Many teeth.
foot,
One foot.
feet,
Two feet.
fish,
One fish.
fish,
Many fish.
sheep,
One sheep.
sheep,
Many sheep.
person,
One person.
people,
Many people.
baby,
One baby.
babies,
Many babies.
city,
One city.
cities,
Many cities.
story,
One story.
stories,
Many stories.
candy,
One candy.
candies,
Many candies.
Fly.
One fly.
Flies.
Many flies.
Knife.
One knife.
Knives.
Many knives.
Leaf.
One leaf.
Leaves.
Many leaves.
Wife.
One wife.
Wives.
Many wives.
Tomato.
One tomato.
Tomatoes.
Many tomatoes.
Potato.
One potato.
Potatoes.
Many potatoes.